good evening, and welcome. As some of you may know, and some of you do practice long-range shooting. Again, I say long-range shooting. Here at the Bohemian Hunting Club, we have a division in our BHC RDC, which is the Bohemian Hunting Club Research and Development Center, which is dedicated for expert marksmanship tutelage. And again, like I said, at the Bohemian Hunting Club, we don't practice long-range shooting. We practice long-grain shooting. And as soon as phones come up, you can call and enroll and take in the Bohemian Hunting Club's marksmanship of excellent tutelage shooting and learn how to long-range shoot yourself to become a professional long-grain marksman. Thank you.